What do we got here? So we got my wheels not on the car, and my car is not on jack stands. So that could only mean that I got some new motherfucking Johnnies. You guys are not ready for them. They're so sick. But I may be selling these, so you guys are interested in these, hit me up. Try to get around like 4,500, 5,000. So hit me up if you guys are interested in these. All the tires are super good, except this one. This one needs a new tire, but I'll work with you on the price so you can get a tire and have a hookup, so I'll get you guys a good deal on that stuff. But anyways, let's get to the video so I can show you guys these new wheels. Yo, so I just discovered something pretty crazy. The tire monitor pressure sensors, the TPMS thing came up, and it said that all of my tire pressures were low. And I went to the gas station to put air in the tires, and when I was putting air in the tires, I realized that when the air would be sufficient in each tire, the car would honk. So I put one, it would honk. I would go to the next one, I put air in, and it would honk. And I guess that when the car senses that you're putting air in the tires, the car will honk to notify you that the air is sufficient in the tires. And I was tripping out, and I was like, God damn, dude, that's like some shit that like I feel like a Mercedes would have. And I had no idea that that was something that these cars had. So that's pretty crazy. But you know, I just thought I would throw that in there. All right, guys. So without further ado, the new gap setup. God damn. Here we go, guys. So I went ahead and I got me a set of weld wheels. I went 18s in the front, 18 by 10, 17 by 10 and a half in the back, with some nitto invos in the front and some nitto NT555r2s. So I've been driving on this setup for like a day now. I am gonna get a bigger tire because it does not fill the gap right. This is a 275/40/17. I'm gonna switch this over to a possibly either a 305 or a 295/45. Get a little bit bigger so there's no wheel gap, because you know me, I'm the king of fitment. I'm not into the wheel gap. But these wheels are super light, super sturdy. It drives really nice. You can feel the difference between my old wheels. I had 20s. These are 18s and 17s. Way lighter. The car feels way faster and grips up like crazy. So this is gonna be the new setup for now. But damn. And I love how the spokes are so open. You can see the brakes with the two-piece rotors. Everything just looks so clean. They are used. I got them from one of my homies for a stupid good deal. I'm not gonna disclose the price. But also, I got these Ray's lug nuts that he threw in for free. So I can't complain. Setup is super nice, looks super good. And the car handles like crazy now. It grips up so fast. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, first gear type crap, like it does not spin at all. And oh my God, look what I just noticed. My lip almost rest in peace itself. Oh my God. No. That's not good. I'm gonna have to fix that. But anyways, let's go drive the car. But first, we need to get gas because that ain't gonna work. All right, guys. So if you guys think I was joking about the grip, this is first gear. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my God! Holy crap! I'm telling you guys, dude, these nitto NT555r2s are the fucking business. The first gear, this car never hooked up. No matter what tires I had, even when I had the Mickey Thompsons, the slicks, it would hook up. But like those tires sucked driving on the street, because on high speed, like even over 80, you feel it like wobbling and being all weird. But dude, this car hooks up and takes off. Like that was like a 0 to 80. No problem, first gear rolling on like 20 miles an hour. Like you're not gonna find a tire that grips better. I was saying that you're not gonna find a tire that grips better than that on the street, and it handles decently in the rain and has all around the good profile that these tires do. I'm gonna go with a bigger size. I am gonna get the same tire though, so it fits in and feels good. But anyways, I'm super shocked about how much feedback I got from these wheels. I showed a bunch of my homies and everybody was tripping. The wheels are so sick. Let's take another look at them. Super hard, super clean. Definitely the best wheel choice I think I could have went with. I'm definitely gonna have to step up the rear tire to a bigger tire, but I think that I couldn't have gone any better with a wheel choice. I really do love my old wheels, but unfortunately they weren't doing the job when it came to gripping, so I think I'm gonna have to stick to these. But anyways, super sick wheels. I'm gonna get back in the car because people in the parking lot staring at me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, all the people who like my videos and all the people who stay following me and commenting on my Instagram posts and telling me that they're ready to see the next video and that they keep pushing me to push out content. I do have a full-time job. I am super busy all the time, but I do try to make time and do as much as I can on the weekends filming and stuff like this. So thank you guys so much for following me. I really, really appreciate it. Keep in touch. Comment on the video what you guys think about the wheels. I really, really want to know what you guys think. Give me some more ideas, what else I can do. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and have a good rest of your day.